It's raining again. Maybe I should say still. It's still raining. It rains all the time. It won't stop raining. Look at this. Look at my hair. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. And I have to go to the grocery store. And you know what? I don't have on any makeup. You know why? Because it's raining. And I don't care. But I got Fortunate today in the mail. I'm going to try it. I think it's going to be too dark, but guess what? Doesn't matter because it's dark outside. It's like black and horrible. It's the worst. So is my skin, but that's okay. Again, raining. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, crooked. Nice. See? If I can do it, you can do it. And clearly, I'm clueless with makeup. Ooh! 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 Might be a little dark on me, but you know what? It's because I'm all redded up. But again, doesn't matter. Because it's raining. These are the colors you can try. There's a ton of them. They're beautiful. There's 15 colors you can try. And they're only $19. And they're good for you. So, I'm going to go to the grocery store, pick up a few things, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.